Spartan Jameson Locke, UNSC. Captain Lasky sends his greetings, and thanks you for your cooperation.
Oni, out of the shadows. The spies announce themselves now, Agent Locke.
I'm a Spartan now, sir.
I know who you are. You were an agent when you volunteered to execute me.
I saved your life today.
Yet now you hunt another Spartan, the greatest of your clan.
Let him hunt. He'll never find us. It's Cortana. She touched every networked device in the camp. She knows the Guardian is here.
Locke, that thing's our last shot.
You have the firepower to get us in there.
Sunayan is the Covenant's final stronghold on Sangelios. We will move only when victory is assured.
Doctor, Osiris will deploy within the hour. Have your plan ready. Guns down, Osiris. We're guests here.
Locke, I have a briefing prepared. Given Cortana's show of power, I am reluctant to discuss it over open channels.
Understood, Doctor. We're on our way.
Where sun and moon and planets roll, and stars that glow from pole to pole.
Interesting song.
Thanks! Human prisoner used to...
The Master Chief worked with Cortana for a while, right?
Yes. Chief considered her a close friend.
It's unusual for anyone to anthropomorphize an AI so deeply as to consider them a friend.
Unusual, but not unheard of.
Where sun and moon and planets roll, and stars that glow from pole to pole.
Interesting song.
Thanks! Human prisoner used to sing. I thought maybe practice, sing with him. But then he was in corpse pile, so no singing with him. Happy to sing to you, though.
Reschedule the supply run. Our systems have been compromised. By the human AI, not the Covenant. It is sabotage! We must respond! We fight one enemy at a time. Today, the Covenant.
Long sidelines here.
Sometimes new learns push out the old stuff. You ever have that happen? Like, I'm so good at charging plasma pistols and throwing grenades and also being friends. I used to be real good at quantum theories once, but then I got way into throwing grenades. I think it was a pretty smart decision, you know, since so much of doing war is knowing when to throw grenades at something. You gotta quit talking in Sangheili, okay? You gotta talk human. I don't understand Sangheili. All I hear is work, work, work.
Uh-huh. The assault on Sunayan draws near. The Banshee remains inoperative. I do not yet understand why. Figure it out. We need every Banshee in the air.
Did you check the anti-gravity drive?
That is not the problem, human. These are the wrong bolts.
position in Sunayan.
I hear you.
Supply says we didn't get a crate of guns.
Received. Give me space. I see farther than their arms reach. Medicine is scarce. What is it? Why do you pause? This wound is familiar. Epidemic keep. Their plasma blades burn less intensely. Harder to cut armor, but the injuries are more grievous and do not cauterize. So the blades leave Sangheli alive, but too wounded to fight. Most choose suicide to preserve their honor, making any wound a death blow. Barbaric, indeed.
Give me updates.
Supplies delayed. Rations will be late.
Rock, I
Over
was
here, Osiris. I have located a means to activate the Guardian.
Osiris reporting in, Dr. Halsey.
This is a constructor, a Forerunner tool I can use to interface with the Guardian. Constructors were ubiquitous in Forerunner facilities. These hills are riddled with support stations for the Sanghelios Guardian. Palmer has the coordinates of one such station. Finding a constructor there should be simple.
Ready when you are, Osiris. Ready when you are, Osiris.
We're ready, Commander Palmer.
Okay, let's go.